Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do my universal batter for frying or mezcla para freír. This batter is great for piononos, shrimp, soft-shell crab, fried chicken, frog legs, gator, and even good for veggies. If you add some salted codfish to it, you got the iconic codfish fritter known in the island as Bacalaitos. For this universal and unique batter for frying, you will need 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of adobo seasoning with pepper, 3 cups of water, a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of culantro or Thai parsley, 2 packets of sazon with culantro y achiote, a teaspoon of black grounded pepper, and salt to taste. I went to my local seafood market, Saltwater Outpost in Warren Robin, Georgia, and got me some soft-shell crabs. Let's use this batter for frying them. First thing to do, have the flour seeded. Or as my abuelita always told me, mijo, siempre hay que cernir la harina. So get the flour seeded before adding the ingredients. In a bowl for mixing, start adding the dry ingredients to the flour. Add the baking soda, ground pepper, the adobo, sazon, and whisk all together. Let's start adding the water. Go with 1.5 cups first, and gradually add half a cup at a time till you complete the 3 cups. Mix all together till you reach the consistency of a pancake mix. When done and you have the mix very smooth with no crumbs, add the garlic. Then a bunch of the cilantro and culantro. Then blend the mix with an immersion blender or in a regular blender. But you'll know I love using my immersion blender. It's so handy for putting sauces and batter. Once you have the mix ready, chop the rest of the culantro and cilantro and add it to the mix. This will give this batter a visual appealing. Now whisk by hand the culantro and oregano. Don't use any blender. Check for seasoning. If necessary, add some salt or adobo to the mix. But if you follow this recipe, you usually don't need anything else. But salt is always to taste. Now in a plate or a bowl, pour some of the batter and add your crab, fish, shrimps, frog legs, whatever you're frying, and cover them real good. I don't suggest dipping them. The batter is very thick and might make your food come apart. Let's warm some frying oil. Check with a wooden spoon to see if the oil is ready. If it bubbles, that oil is ready to go. Let's start frying the soft-shell crabs. Now, before battering for frying, don't forget to clean each crab. Leave one pointed side of the top shell and remove the gills by pulling them out. Put top shell back down and repeat on the other side. We're gonna fry them on medium-high heat until golden brown on both sides. To clean them also, on the bottom side, remove tail flap by twisting and pulling off. Using a pair of scissors, remove the face by cutting behind the eyes. Rinse the crabs thoroughly with cold water, add some salt, dry them on paper towel before battering. Once they are golden brown on both sides, you're done. Take them out of the frying oil and place them on paper towel to absorb excess oil. Eat them warm. Eat them plain or with a side of sweet fried plantains. Have some mayo ketchup sauce. If you don't know how to do mayo ketchup, check my other videos on how to. Use the batter for piononos, shrimp, fish, gator, frog legs, or chicken. This batter or mezcla para freír have unlimited uses. Use your imagination. This is the Traveler. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.